It's a cold one out there. It'll be cold this weekend, John. Dry this weekend. What time is it? Sunday night or Monday morning where things start to get a little sporty out there?
Depends. I mean, heading into PA, it's definitely Sunday, more of an issue. But it's going to be Monday morning for parts of the area. There's a lot of variety that we're going to be serving up weather-wise. Cold weekend, absolutely. A few flakes during the weekend, yes. Not a big feature. It's Monday where we see a better chance for more of the area to see some snow. Parts of the area, a lot of snow. But there is variety. Then it just stays cold next week. Just real quickly, I mean, the temperature is one thing, but when you throw in the wind, it feels like 21 in New York. But look at all this cold air for the lakes down into the Ohio Valley. So as that moisture heads into parts of the central states, it's an ice event, ice and major snow event. And just a reminder, if you are planning travel along the eastern seaboard on Monday, you're going to feel it. Baltimore, Philly, Ocean County, Cape May, Atlantic City, down into parts of the mid-Atlantic. It's much more of a challenge. Not so much today, just a few flakes, kind of pretty if you're bundled up and ready for it. Watch what happens, though, as we're watching this close. The exact track is key, definitely heavier south. There's going to be a sharp cutoff north. What do we mean a sharp cutoff? That means, I mean, even within Bergen County, parts of Bergen County could see ½ inch to an inch. Other parts bone dry. Rockland, Westchester likely snow starved as well. This is reflected in some of the advisories we can already tell you about. The National Weather Service has posted a winter storm watch for Monday. Winter storm watch means watch out for the possibility of winter driving conditions. So the impact on travel is key. 1 to 3, this line keeps pushing a little farther to the south, and then you can see right there, kind of the bullseye for our area is going to be well south. In fact, in the city, the European forecast model has ½ inch of snow. That's enough to, definitely mess up sidewalks, driveways, and some of the side streets. I think avenues in the city will be fine. Both the GFS and the graph have totally backed away from this storm for the city. Not for our area, but for the city. The North American model still bullish on the possibility of an inch. So that's why it's still a first alert day with that light to moderate snow. And the focus south could be quite a bit of snow. Look at Ocean County. If we verify at less than ½ inch in the city, you think, well, what's the big deal? Well, let's talk to Ocean County. Let's go down Toms River. Let's go farther to the south, LBI, where you could have ½ a foot of snow. And then after the storm, I just want to remind you, it's going to be just this lingering shot of Arctic air, sustained cold, 5 to 10 degrees below normal. And with the wind, it's going to feel cooler. So weather-wise, it's even colder today, still relatively benign, but biting. Boy, it's going to be cold at MetLife tomorrow. And then on Monday, that's when we watch the track of this storm. Just remember, like you don't have enough to do with on Monday. Just remember, definitely, if you are planning travel farther to the south, big impacts. And then if people are planning travel, maybe people are wrapping up holiday travel, if they're lucky enough. Major delays, possibly Chicago, definitely Kansas City, St. Louis, even Nashville. I mean, there could be quite a bit of snow in parts of Tennessee.
It's a good point you make, because I would assume a lot of people took Thursday and Friday off this past week because it was a short week.
Yeah.
So Monday
could be a real challenge.
And yeah, challenging commute with the weather. You got the first day of congestion pricing, and the first day back at work after a new year and a long vacation is jarring.
I mean, some people after vacation, their brains in a fog and they kind of stumble bum, but not everybody.
Look, why are you looking at me?
Not everybody.
Jeez.
No, I'm just saying.
Present company included?
We want to make sure.
All right, John.
You're not
Thank
wrong.
you.
You're
we
not wrong.
appreciate it.